Welcome! Today, you'll learn exactly how to take a group off Snooze on the X app right from your PC. If you've snoozed a group chat and you're not receiving updates anymore, don't worry, this new update makes it quick and simple to get those conversations back. Let's walk through it, step by step. First, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and the main dashboard is visible. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see several menu icons. Click on Messages. This is where all your private chats and group conversations are stored. Now scroll through your list of conversations until you find the group you previously snoozed. When you hover your cursor over that group chat, you'll notice 3 small dots appear at the far right of the group name. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. A small menu will pop up with several options related to that group. From here, select Take Conversation Off Snooze. Once you click that, the group chat will instantly be active again. That means you'll start receiving notifications and updates from that group just like before. It's that easy. This new layout on X makes managing group message settings smoother than ever. No need to dig through complicated menus or settings pages. Everything is just a few clicks away. If you're someone who manages multiple group chats, this feature can save you a lot of time. You can snooze and unsnooze as needed, depending on what notifications matter most to you at the moment. And remember, you can do all of this directly from your PC without switching to your phone. So, there you have it, a simple, updated guide to taking a group off Snooze on the X app. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more quick tutorials like this one to help you stay on top of the latest updates across your favorite apps.